I once showed my son how the classic photo camera works, through which we've seen the history of the past 200 years. Moments of life freeze on paper, become a picture, and stay with us forever. I thought then that the magic of photography for a long time was only a brilliant combination of optics and chemistry, and decided to make a simple camera out of available materials. I used cassettes for instant photos, recycled paper and cardboard, shutter, aperture, body, everything from paper. And I created what you will enjoy. A simple folding paper camera, always ready for instant photography. The camera is made entirely of recycled paper and cardboard. It has a tunable diaphragm, a manual shutter, and even a pinhole. A Fresnel lens as a viewfinder, a meniscus lens, and no electronics. Using a film cassette, you can get 10 color or monochrome photos. The cassettes can be changed many times. The camera is affordable and functional. It is a great teaching toy for children and adults. And every picture is yours, the one and only.
Enjoy!